When looking for your data manufacturer on your onboard 35 SecureTech, you're going to want to first remove the shell from the base by squeezing the back release handle. And locating on the shell label the date of manufacturer. It's below the level to ground line on the outside of the shell. You can determine the date of manufacturer, the model number, and the model name. Getting started with your installation of the onboard 35 SecureTech, you're going to want to place the car seat and base in your vehicle and start to get a good level to ground line. That means that you're going to want to look at the level to ground line on the shell of your car seat and make sure that you're at a good angle against the ground, not the vehicle, of levelness. If you are unlevel, you're going to want to remove the shell. You're going to want to locate the base foot adjustment on the front of the base. You can press that button in and extend that base foot out to position 2. And then check the levelness again. If you've achieved a good level to ground, you can then start your base installation. I'm going to leave mine in position 1 to do my installation. First step is to release the lock off and feed your vehicle seatbelt through the belt guides, weaving it underneath the lock off that is gray, ensuring that there's no twists in your vehicle seatbelt, and latching it on the opposite side. You can then begin to remove the slack from your vehicle belt and watch for the red to green indicators to begin to turn green. Once that has occurred, you can close your lock off. And then we always recommend that you also change your vehicle seatbelt over to retracting mode. So you wait for the click, and then you're secure. You can then test. You're not getting more than 1 inch of wiggle, so your base is installed correctly and secure. You can then place the shell back on the base, and you're ready to travel.